it's not rebuilt like the other one.
Yeah, it's not rebuilt.
But
needs paint.
Needs to be painted, but it's
got
running
the door
well.
over here.
Huh?
I have to fix the door hinge. Take a picture of the top. That's it. And Mohammed will paint the wheel seal, so this will be nice and shiny. The body of the machine's not painted, but it's not bad. And it runs good.
You're right in the way.
It runs good.
Over and out.
That's it.
That's
Come
it.
on up.
How much?
Bring cash. $1,500.
$1,500.
With 2 blades. That's it.
With 2 blades. Thank you.